yesterday with $5,000 of profit, coming in today cautious because this is very common to come in the next day thinking you're a god and then you just blow up. So I'm gonna try to take things slow, which I usually do. Someone's alarm's going off. Hope they can figure out how to shut that off. This is not looking very good. The spreads on this are insane. Totally missed it. Caught a bigger win there. They go down to 900. It should have taken off there. Yep, flush. This thing's a little unstable. Gosh, someone's alarm's going. Drives me nuts. Someone's alarm is freaking. Okay, it looks like it did rebound, which is impressive. Yeah, this thing spreads on it are not the best. I'm a little worried about it. We got a halt down at 603. Sellers just seem to have it here so far. 5 minutes at the current rate. Not looking so. I mean, anything's possible. Watch it. We're doing that quick scalping style that I love. We're getting buying pressure. Failed. I thought we could go green there. I was wrong. Took a $200 loss. Should have just sold it. That gets me a little frustrated. I would expect it to go green here, but I'm going to cut it there. I'm just afraid it's going to snap low. Yeah, I was wrong. It's doing what I thought it was going to do. But they're back down to 638, so that's a little fortunate. a little just all over the place today. Snoop Dogg's in the house. Oh, patience with this one, Padawans. Let's see. We'll probably get another pop-up attempt at some point. This could be it here. I don't know if I trust that. You kind of got to be cautious here. Hard to get sucked into that. It's tempting. Oh, that's kind of tempting. Okay, this looks like I could get a run. One more dip and I'm in. Shoot, I'm not getting a dip, am I? Wow, this thing drops quick. Up through 7 is the target. I think I missed it. Not getting these dips where I should be getting them. I had the right idea down here. I just don't know why I didn't trust my gut. Now we have the break is 704, possibly, if not a flush. It's a pretty nasty range. Gosh darn it. I would love to be up a lot more, but look at that. Ah, good thing I didn't buy up there. I felt FOMO to buy it. That me could. Okay, sellers have control here. I'll buy a high here and see what happens. Should have just sold on the pop. I forgot I had my ratios changed. So, $5,000 of profit yesterday. We can ride on that. We don't need to try to be a hero today. Although it's tempting. We're actually seeing sort of weaker action today. ALXO, no good. See if MNTS is doing anything today. It's a little light volume. It's quite a bit light of volume. This is very not pretty, I guess you could say. So we'll give this some time. It looks like ALXO. Yeah, that failed. Good thing I got out with profit, but I had this shot of about 120 bucks there for a second. This I'd like to watch to see if we do get a rebound. Let's see. Where's the high day scanner? Where's our desperation scanner? Osea? That's a ticker that we've traded many times. Pull that up. Yeah, that ain't looking so good. Pixie? Nah. Too cheap. Feminist? Okay. Uh-oh. Hold down on SBRC. Not good, not good. What a day. Okay, well, we'll just shut it down here. Thanks for joining me. Bye. Let's see what's going on. Yeah. ICU is a little too cheap. ALXO is a little trashy. I don't know, guys. The vibe today is very. You got to be thinking, okay, which team's in control today overall? Overall, who's in control? Is it the red team or the green team? So far, I'd be hard pressed if you said the green team. I'd be hard pressed to believe you if you said the green team. Femi spreads are big, light volume. I do see a pattern. Oh wait, no. No. I'm looking at. I was about to say. I was like the 5 minute chart is or that. I don't know if there's sometimes when there's like CPI numbers coming out or the FOMC is making a decision, you can see the market be pretty soft. Uh, maybe that's going on today. I'm not sure. I'm a little bummed out. I didn't catch kind of more one of the more obvious trades of the day. My mind, I should have been in on that. This, I could see this working out, but there's no volume. Nothing is moving on the tape. I have my finger on the trigger because I'm trying to see if we can get a run to like a 4 cent win, pick up $100 here. It's the 5 minute pullback, but it has a 5 minute topping tail, kinda. Look, it's just can't get stuck in a stock like that. Bottoming tail here, missed it. You could catch a bottoming trade off this and pattern of some nature. I don't know. ALXO. I'll tell you what, I'll go down to 900 because the spreads on this are they're not good. See how there's the ask and the bids way up here. I would like to see it tighten up. So if you get filled at the ask and the bid is way lower and then the bid drops out, what you thought was maybe gonna be a 5 cent loss turns into a 15 cent. So these bigger spreads on this one are kind of an issue here. If I put my order in here, it's gonna chase the market up. Watch. I guess not. Uh, 740 is way high. I want to try to get it lower. See, look at that. Now the bid dropped out to 729. This is a dangerous stock. I'll put my order at 727. It might get filled even. Hopefully not in a flush. Halt down 677. It might go here to 763. Should I just jump on board? Wait for a dip. Wow, it should be going green there. Like, see how the pattern's there, but it's just not going. What else is moving? Is Femi doing anything? I see ICU. There it finally goes. I wasn't waiting to find out if it was going to work or not. But you gotta ask yourself. You're like, how many red 5-minute candles in a row have we had? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Due for a rebound, right? Even if it's just a little rebound, it's due for a rebound. Here's kind of a rebound. 717 to 750, possibly 763. That's a pretty big win. There's money to be made there. Halt resumption on this should be soon. Should be soon. My gut's telling me it should be soon. So we'll watch it here. Full package members will be doing a class today after trading, unless an asteroid hits my house or something. We are planning that. Why in the world is this not unhalting? Wait, where did it halt at? I don't know how my halt resumed. Oh, here we go. What's this one called? 639. So at 6:45, it should have resumed already. Uh-oh, that's not good when it takes that long to unhaul. Let's see, where is it? 550. Yeah, that thing's kaput. So I'll wait for a pattern on this one. This one has range, albeit not very good range. This is more advanced level trading. Newer traders, please understand that it just doesn't appear to be the day where making money is going to be easy. So think of that profitability equation we talk about. If you guys haven't watched my latest video about September in review, today is a great example of what I was talking about in that video. So you guys did a great job here. I'm only showing you this because we have a little bit of a slow bit in the market here. So reviewing September, 41,000 in profits. It was a average month, very average, mediocre, which is why I said boring. But anyway, a lot of great content in here. I would like you guys to go through all this. Some of my students are in here, and I deleted quite a few videos. If you want to look at a little meme, you can look at this vintage trading farmer video. Oh, you know what? I realized, guys. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Alan. LM, E-Sign, Philly Cheese. Let's bring in the public here to chat. Let's bring in the unruly crowd, the mob, the Roman mob. The only way to appease them is through bread, money, and women. I'm going to close these blinds a little bit. So we're looking for a retracement on this. It's fighting right there. I don't know if I'm interested. What we could see on SPRC is a halt resume, dips a little bit lower, and then slingshots. Yes, but just caution with it. I see it and I'm thinking of it. But if we rip through 718, ow, buying pressure there. Yeah, I might miss it. I'll take 900. I'll take 900 right there. FOMO'd in on a. I'm gonna get smoked. I think we'll get 753. Look at that. Nothing. I got nothing out of it. Should have just sold the pop. It's not the day to be holding. But yeah, there was that pattern. Uh Atif. Will this squeeze into a halt up? I could see it happening. See if buyers come back in here to complete the pattern. I mean, we are so extended low, but let's see if I want this to go green. This needs to go green. There we go. Where did I fill at? 739. That wasn't the worst. I just took it because I was like, I don't want to lose it. Just a little bit. Just bringing in that Starbucks money. Just bringing in those little wins. And for me, 900 shares is small size. I mean, ideally, I would have taken that trade with more like 3,000 shares. And it would have been more like 150 bucks. Pixie. I'm going to pull it up just in case things do get nuts on it. Hold on. We got a little bit of a bottoming tail here. Bot high. I like the look of it to 755. That's a nice pop. I'm going to wait for one more additional pop since we're so extended low. We're looking for that short pinch. Come on. Don't you fail now. Don't you fail. Sell a little bit there. Oh, sold a little bit more there low. I have just a third of my position left to try to capture and move to 763. There's 756. Okay, there's that. There's that rebound we were looking for. Wow. Kind of missed out on that trade. That went a lot higher. My best fill was 67. Went to 90. She's doing good. She's doing good, Philly cheese. Well, you know women. I mean, I should say it like this. You know relationships. Get a little rocky sometimes. Waiting for a pullback here. ALXO is coming alive. We could see a continued move on it. I should have bought that dip. I messed up. Maybe sold a bit early there. Philly cheese. Sorry. Oh gosh, I gotta fix that Nightbot. I gotta fix that Nightbot. I don't know why the Nightbot does that. Okay, I fixed the Nightbot. I fixed the Nightbot. It's been fixed. It's been fixed. Gotta cut it. I got $180 loss there. It sucks. That sucks. I should have got the initial pop, and I didn't. I should have got the initial dip. It's fighting here. SPRC, W pattern. See if we get a run up to 580 on this sucker. I'm in with small size. I didn't like how it was kind of getting weak there. Got 500 bucks on this ticker. It's not a lot. Could have been a lot more. Okay, a little dip here. I'm a little nervous with this sucker. I'll take 900 shares on a dip. Oh, bought the drop. That's where I should be buying right here. I'm just gonna jump in. Wow. I'm gonna stay clear of this one for now. Giving back a couple $100 on it. 5 minutes looking bearish. SBRC. It's a maybe. Philly cheese. I fixed the bot, so spreads on this are net terrible. Look at that. Look at how far that bid drops out. I'm not gonna buy it. I don't think. Look at those spreads. See how that bid in the ask? How far apart they are? I've got to get out of that. Where did I fill? $100. $100 loss. I thought there was a shot. It takes me to 1400 on the day. This turned out to be a dud. Now it's working. It sold right at the bottom of this thing. We'll be patient with it. At this at this point, the best pattern SBRC kind of already happened. So we'll see here what it wants to do. Uh-oh. I see that 5-minute pattern here on this one. So this one's coming close to a pattern. Balloon. Um, be gone. It's like looking at two turds and trying to figure out which one doesn't smell as bad. I'm gonna try to wait for the next candle here on this one. Sold 2/3. It stalled. Try to hold a third for a bigger move. Being kind of weak. No, Bendy. Well, I do have trade zero, but not a margin account. I don't trade with it. But I do have trade zero. So that ended up working, surprisingly. I would like to get back over 1,000 on this ticker, but that may not be worth attempting. It may not be worth attempting at all. I look at how that bid just goes kaputso. Security alert, security alert. Bull flag here. Probably going to be a little pop. I'll go in with 400 shares just to say I did it. I think the risk is too high. I did it. In at 31, out at 37. 6 times 4. What's 6 times 4? 24 bucks. And I did sell in the ask. Yeah, Nightbot has been fixed. You guys will not be harassed anymore. This is not a communist country here. Is there anybody that's in China that is watching this? Just a side note, unrelated to anything, but is there somebody who's like Chinese and is watching this? Or I mean, is in China? That is a country I have not seen before. So this thing's losing volume, stalling out. This today just turned out to be such a giant turd. I got 1,600 in profit. suppose that's not the worst. These spreads are killer. If you get sloppy with buying in the wrong area with the wrong spreads, you're gonna get obliterated. Got a little bit of a bottoming wick there, but the this discrepancy, this difference in the bid and the ask, you gotta be careful of that. You gotta be careful. Okay, now it tightened up. Now you could consider getting in. You could consider it. Okay, but look at that, then open it up again. I kind of missed that trade from 711 to 740. That's a lot of profit. Oh, Scylla is in China, huh? Or are you lying? He's lying. I figured you was lying. I could see this one moving up higher. I'll take a stab here. Ah, I knew it. I had the gut feeling to cut it earlier and I didn't. Could get a run on SBRC here. Spread is not. No, I'm gonna stay out of this. I don't like that pattern too much. It's it's 3, 4 red candles there. This could pop a little bit here. I just took a loss, so I don't want to have that. I'm not so sure about this one. Oh, it's working. Then look, it pops to 740, but then the bid comes down to 730. And then a flush. Not ideal. JD, correct. Affirmative. Affirmative. We're looking for a massive reversal here. Stalled out. Do you believe I made a little bit of profit on it? Gotta cut it. It's a pretty strong bear flag. It takes me back to 1500 on the day. Let's see a short squeeze here. Ah, what? I just got out of there. I did not like the way that was working out. I'll take that profit. It looked like the problem is it was a good entry. I was in the green right away, so check mark, yes. But then there's no follow up volume, right? Because this thing is a turd. A lot of bullish traders are not even looking at it. They're looking at Pixie because it's above VWAP and it's moving higher. Actually, it was above VWAP. Now it looks like it's below it. I think Pixie's trash. Trash. At that price range, trash. If it was like $3 a share, I would have been looking at it. And I've traded Pixie a lot in my day. In my 24 years. You know, our grandparents were talking about surviving the 30s and surviving farming in the Dust Bowl, and all of, we're going to be able to talk about is surviving COVID and false breakouts. Okay. I do see ALXO coming up. SPRC, we could see a bounce off the lows. ALXO, it's a flat topping there. I'm not too interested. The 5 minute on it looks interesting. Looks like we could get up to 755. We'll see if when we break through 534, do we slam shorts, knock them in the face, and get them to reverse? Let's give them a black eye and see if we can get it to rip the other way. If not, we could just get knocked out. So we'll have to be quick on our toes. Ah, what a beautiful day to be alive. Won't you be my neighbor? No, I won't. Oh, oh, heavens no. Yeah, that might be the end, guys. That's pretty nasty. Ooh, that's gonna ruin some. That's gotta have ruined somebody's day. Let's see if we can ruin the short stay by coming into a bottoming tail and reversing. And I don't think it's gonna happen. It didn't happen on that candle, so this is probably coming below 5. They're looking for the break of the whole dollar. If I could short here, I would. Let's see if I can short. Short. Nope, can't short. So SPRC is officially gone. ALXO, it's already sold off so hard that part of me thinks we could get something on it. I thought SPRC might dip below 534 a little bit, but when it drops that hard, you got to be thinking that it's probably better to stay out, especially on a day like this, especially on a stock that low below VWAP. So it's all these things that combined, you guys need to make decisions based off of information. And you're not always going to be right. That's a fundamental truth with trading. It's a guessing game. Five-minute bear flag. Do we buy a dip here? I'll buy that dip there. I'll take it at 725. We should have seen a bigger pop. Yeah, sometimes you even cry. It's just a sad reality of trading. There's no way to become a good trader without getting absolutely knocked out, absolutely, thrown off the horse. That's a fact. That's gonna happen as a trader. You're gonna get smoked, even if the pattern was good, even if you had green on the day, and it doesn't matter. Eventually, a day is gonna come along, or a week, or an entire month, where you're just gonna get completely knocked off the horse. There's nothing you can do about it. Looks like we're gonna break the apex point here. Looking for a dip. That should have broken there, in my opinion. I had the right idea here. Wish I would have taken 2,700. So we're 1686. I was trying to get to 2,000, but might be able to get it on this trade here. I could see this thing short squeezing. 'Cause the market wasn't that cold yesterday. In the past few days, it's been heating up. So that's when you do see short squeezes. I'm going to stay out of it for now. So we have 49 likes already. Appreciate it. We get a little bit of green here, but there's a big seller there at 745 that I'm not vibing with that seller there. I don't know why I bought up there. That was foolishness. Told myself not to do it, and I did it. Patiently waiting. Want this to dip. There's a dip. Let it dip one more time. Let it dip one more time. Beanox? Oh, maybe I can have revenge of Beanox today. It actually looks pretty decent. I gotta cut it. Ah, that's $100 loss. Beanox. Don't tell me we're gonna be trading Beanox today. Looks a little grindy, but above you app. I should just stay out of it. Lost another $50. It takes me to 1,500 on the day. We'll wait. We'll wait. This could come all the way down to. Could come all the way down to $7 even. Yeah, I was pretty big red on BNOX yesterday too. Luckily, I made 6 grand on MNTS. So I don't know if I want to trade BNOX. It's kind of on my naughty list. Trying to reverse here. Back up to 740. I could have held it more. I got such a low fill. I had the right idea down there, but I started to get nervous. SPRC, nice bounce there. That's a nice flat top that could create a breakout.
Bye, everybody.
Bye. Oh, wait. Flat top breakout up to 750. God bless the bachelor that decides to day trade. Patience, discipline. Oh, shorts. Oh gosh, is this going to be the breakout? I got to get out of there. Wiping my profits, trying to catch this break. Ugh. 1486. Hmm. Hmm. This is starting to get a little dangerous. I don't know why I keep buying at resistance. Just bleeding. This thing could snap with some velocity. Give me back a couple $100 on this. Trying to debate whether we should just forfeit. Should we just concede? Or should we fight for this breakout? We're already giving back 200 trying to chase it. I'll wait for a dip. Come on, just wait for a dip. If it goes, it goes. It's just itching to go. It might reject hard off this level. We've had 2 or 3 good pushes on that wall. The red team might fight us out. Enox is opening up. That's tempting. Maybe Beanox is in play today. It's extended now on Beanox. Might just pop by like a penny and then flush. I don't know. I don't know anymore on this. Beanox is ripping. Let's go to Beanox on the daily chart. See what we're looking at here for the daily. Okay. We got a pretty clear level at 450 on Beanox. Kind of getting stubborn on this ticker. I want to get my money back. I don't know if I trust it. May need to just switch over to Beanox. Oh, no, it did. It's starting to work. Frustrating. I need to buy it on the dips, and I fail at it. I actually got profit on that trade. Okay. I don't know. We could see a breakout on this. This one I got smoked on yesterday. Bought right into a big seller. This looks terrible. See if we get a false breakdown on this. $1,473 bucks. Yeah, about exactly $200. Enox. This was probably the best trade right here. This thing is lost volume. What about this thing? Yeah, Binox does look interesting. ALXO 740. The sellers are stacked. Interesting. I don't know. It's like the same thing as yesterday. It's just, oh, did I miss it? Ah, I missed it. Aw, done missed it. Oh, that's too bad. It's getting bought up though. I can see Binox up to 450. But take a trade on it, could be risky. We'll give BNOX a shot just because we have that level at 450. And we're gonna risk a couple $100. Oh man. So sellers are taking this BNOX for a ride here. Let's see if we get this up to high, Dave. I took that. Again, waiting for that rubber band to stretch. This one I'm angry about. I had 600 on it, but we'll take the 400. Yeah, so full package members, we will be doing a class after trading today. Probably run to Starbucks, get a cold brew, and then we can sit down for that. And killing it with the likes. 64 likes. Beautiful, guys. Pat yourself on the back. Give yourself a round of applause. So volume is light on this ticker. We had a nice pop off the lows, 416 to 427. That's 10 cents. It's not much more you can really ask for. We still have the 450 target. So sitting here again where I was like an hour ago, just under 1,700. Almost $2,000 of profit. This sort of stock right here, this BNOX, you got to be careful. See if we get a bottoming tail here.